Hello guys, today I've got a Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to update the software to the latest OS version. At first you need to open the settings. Now scroll all the way down. You should see here System section and System Update section. Tap System Updates and tap Check for Updates. As you can see here, we've got Android 16 release, more personal one secure, and we've got here update available. To update your phone, you need to have the internet connection, and it's recommended to have Wi-Fi connection. You can tap Update Now and tap Wi-Fi only. Got it? And now, as you can see, we are downloading the update, and then you will be the update will be installed on your phone. You will need to wait, I'd say 30 minutes, I think, without doing anything. Like, just leave your phone plugged into the power outlet. So that will be it for this video. Let me know if you want to know something further. Goodbye.